Introducing the 2023 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev Plus, bright AWD 5. A luxurious and high-performing SUV designed to elevate your driving experience. With a sleek black exterior and a powerful 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine, this vehicle is sure to turn heads on the road. Equipped with a plethora of comfort and safety features such as satellite navigation, rear armrests, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, the Volvo XC90 prioritizes your comfort and security while on the road. With stylish details like roof rails, spoiler, and sunroof, this SUV is as visually striking as it is functional. And with advanced technology features like Wi-Fi network, ambient lighting, and emergency call capabilities, you'll always stay connected and protected. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with comprehensive warranties. Interested in owning this premium SUV? Contact us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information now.